if for if or formula. If or formula, if any of the condition meet, then the formula will return us the true value. So for example, I have the name column here, subject 1, 2, 3, 4. Total marks column is sum of all those subjects, and behavior. So it's showing excellent, good, bad behavior. So to secure the place in university, the student either need to obtain marks more than 200 or behavior should be excellent. So these are two criteria, but I want if any of the criteria meet, the formula should give me the true value, which is if true value it shows yes, if false value it shows no. So let's start writing formula. Start with is equal to if, press tab, and then press OR. It will appear, press tab. Now, what's the logical test? First logical test is this cell, total marks. This cell is greater than this cell, F4 to fix it. So this is my first criteria. The marks should be more than 200. Press comma. What's the logical test 2? Logical test 2 is if behavior, this cell is equal to this cell, which is the excellent. Press F4 to fix it. Then the formula should give me the true value. So if any of the condition like either total marks are more than 200 or the behavior is excellent, the formula should give me the true value. Close of bracket, press comma. So it's showing me value of true. What if any of the condition meet? If any of the condition meet, it should show yes, this cell, F4 to fix it, then comma. Next one is if none of the condition meet, then formula should show no, F4 to fix it, close off bracket, and press enter. So now you can see the first one, both of the condition meet, like the marks are more than 200 and behavior is excellent, so it's showing yes. Now drag from the bottom to apply for rest of the cells. It's showing no, yes, yes. Why is showing no? Because marks are less than 200 and behavior is not excellent, it's good. That's why neither of condition meet. So the formula will return no. So this is how you can use the if or formula.